Create realistic 3D hotel keycard mockups using AI without needing Photoshop or advanced design skills. Start by opening your browser and searching for Monkey AI, then open the website and navigate to the mockup section. From there, go to the print category and select the card option to access a variety of professional keycard mockups. Choose a mockup that matches your hotel branding style, whether it's modern, luxury, or minimal. Upload your keycard design using the upload option, then adjust and crop the design so it fits perfectly within the card layout. The AI automatically applies realistic lighting, shadows, textures, and perspective, instantly turning your flat artwork into a high-quality 3D mockup that looks studio-created. You can preview the result in real time and make small adjustments until the design looks natural and perfectly aligned. This process saves hours of manual editing and removes the need for complex software or design experience. Once everything looks perfect, simply download the final mockup in high quality and use it for hotel branding, client presentations, marketing materials, or online portfolios. With AI tools like this, creating professional product visuals becomes faster, easier, and accessible for anyone, even beginners.